What is estate planning? Do we need to have one? Hey guys, it's your golden money pup Cloud here again for another important topic. Quick question. What happens if you suddenly vanish? I mean, poof, like Thanos snapped you out of existence. Who gets your house? Your car? Your precious collection of Funko Pops? Without a plan, your family could end up fighting like a telenovela, but with fewer commercials and more drama. With estate planning, you will have peace of mind, less family drama. So what is estate planning anyway? Estate planning isn't just for millionaires with mansions. It's basically a game plan for your stuff, your money, property, insurance, even who takes care of your kids when you're no longer around or can't make decisions. According to a 2024 Caring.com study, 2/3 of adults don't have a will or estate plan. And guess what? The most common reason they give is, "I'll do it later." Yeah, because nothing says "I'll live forever" like procrastination. Don't wait till it's too late. Clock is ticking. The will is your last love letter to your family. A will is like your final set of instructions. Who gets what, who handles your estate, and how you want things done. It's simple, clear, and legally binding. I leave my Netflix password to my brother. Okay, maybe not that part, but seriously, without a will, the government decides who inherits your assets. And that's like letting a stranger decide who gets your car keys. Dying without a will equals results to a lot of legal headache. Trusts is where the real magic happens. Now, if you really want to level up, let's talk about trusts. Think of a trust like a treasure chest. You put your assets inside, lock it, and assign someone, called a trustee, to manage it for the people you care about. Why people love trusts? They avoid probate, no long court delays. They protect privacy, no public records. And they can save taxes and even protect assets from creditors. In other words, a trust is like a VIP pass for your wealth, skipping the long lines of legal drama. Plus, it stops your relatives from fighting over who gets grandma's antique jewelry. You know who you are. Why estate planning matters, even if you're not rich. Estate planning isn't about how much you have. It's about protecting who you love. Even if you just have a small home, a life insurance policy, or some savings, you worked hard for it. Your family deserves clarity, not court battles. Think of it as a final gift, not of money, but of peace of mind. So if you don't have a will or trust yet, don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is while you're still breathing. Plan today. Protect tomorrow. Talk to us, your licensed financial professional and/or estate planner. Learn how to set up a will or living trust that fits your family's needs. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks estate planning is just for rich people. Want to learn how estate planning fits into your financial freedom strategy? Join one of our free financial education workshops. Message us today. See you in the next video.